Today I'm gonna be reviewing and unboxing this Armor All utility bag that I got for my birthday. This was actually a present from my mom. She knows I'm getting into detailing stuff, and I've been doing some detail for not too long, but I normally do it on semi-trucks. I'm gonna unbox this vacuum that I bought for obviously for detailing purposes. Now that I want to get a lot more into this, so let's get right into it. Let's see what we got over here. This one actually is for wet and dry. You can use this on wet to pick up some wet spots or some dry areas. Don't matter. You can use it for both. So let's see what we get. If you guys want to know where I got this from AutoZone. I got it for 40 bucks. So let's see, we got a huge nozzle here. Oh. I'm gonna take out everything that comes with this thing, and then I'll explain. I might sit down because my back kind of been hurting. Anyways, I'm gonna put this right here. Take everything that comes in the box, and then I'll explain a little bit more of it. Okay, let's put this away. So, it is electric powered. This is actually a 10-foot long cord. This right here that you guys see, this is the filter, and this is washable. So you can wash this anytime after it gets really dirty. Let's see. I'm gonna take out all these little tools, and then, cause this is my first time opening it, so I don't even know what's in here. So I'm learning along with you guys. This is specifically made for like car cleaning, but you can use this obviously around the house. See, I'm gonna put everything here that comes with. Okay, so obviously you guys know it's electric. But if you guys are wondering where the hose is, I'm assuming it's probably in here. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna open this thing up. Yeah, it's right in here. And it's actually pretty long, it's not that short. So, like I mentioned earlier, you wanna use this. So basically, from what I can understand, you put this, this is pretty obvious. You put this filter right in here, just like that, and then this is gonna pick up, all that nasty stuff that you have in your carpets and stuff in the car or even in the house. Okay, then so inside there's nothing in there. Just put it in just like this, and then it's pretty easy to put it back. Okay, so that's how you put it back. And then, obviously, it does not go in here. This is for this one right here. All these little things in here are gonna go everywhere. So you want to connect the thick one right here and just twist it until it kind of locks. It's not gonna go all the way in. This nozzle, the large nozzle to this hose, this is definitely gonna fit in any car. It's gonna be able to get all that nasty stuff and the carpets in the cars. Pretty long, actually. See, and this cord is actually a 10-foot, so I'm gonna be able to cover a lot of space. This cord is pretty long. This right here, this is the filter for when you pick up a wet surfaces, so whether it's a wet carpet or a carpet in the house, doesn't matter. This is what you use. So you take out that filter, the one that I put earlier, you put this one in whenever you're gonna use it for wet areas, and then then you have this little, this is a smaller nozzle for like smaller areas that you can't get into with this one inside the car. So this is very, very useful. Also get some detailing brushes. They're very small, but they're useful. They're gonna be useful for what I have in mind. So you have another smaller one right here. And then you also have a big brush, which actually comes off. See, you guys can see, comes off, put it right back. And then if you want to use it for blowing, take this thing out and you put it right in here. And then you want to, this one right here, you guys see this pointy one? This one right here, right open. This one goes right in here, just like that. And this will blow. I will test this out later. Right now I'm just doing the unboxing and basically showing you guys what comes with this thing. But I'm about to go test it in my van. I'm gonna detail it a little bit, so I'm gonna be able to use, I'm gonna use this for the first time here in a little bit when I get done with this unboxing and review inside the house. But yeah, that's basically it. It's a 2 peak horsepower what it has, so it's gonna be, I think that's gonna be enough to clean pretty good. You know what I mean? Like 2 horsepower is not that bad. And here's your on and off switch is right here. I don't know if you guys. So basically, pretty simple. I had it pretty simple to get to put together. I haven't used it at all, so I'm about to go test it out for the first time. As for now though, I'm pretty amazed with everything that comes with this thing for only $40. I mean, I don't think you can beat that, but once again, I haven't tried it, so that's the other part of this. So for now, let me go outside and get the minivan in the garage and then see what we can do with this thing. Yeah, this is all the stuff that comes with the Armor All vacuum, utility vacuum. Just showing you guys giving you guys a closer look to what comes with this thing. You got multiple detailing brushes, or you got nozzles. You got about about 3 nozzles because I have one back here right now. Overall, it's not big. It's actually very, you know, pretty small. Good enough for me right now. Before I end this video here, let me show you guys also one thing that comes very handy when you with this vacuum. Not a big deal, but it's a unique thing. So all these things, you can actually put them away right here. You know, you can put them in here. See, all that stuff fits in here. So yeah, everything that you need, you have it in one place. So you can keep all the nozzles here that you might need whenever you know, you just grab it really quick and move on to the next thing that you're gonna do when you're cleaning the car. So this is actually something that I actually like. It's not a big deal, like I said, but it's nice to have. Guys, this is gonna be really hard to record vacuuming this thing because it's just me in here, but I'm gonna do the best that I can. So I'm gonna have to hold the camera with my hand and vacuum with the other. Hopefully you guys can get the idea. Keep in mind, this is my work car. This is my minivan. This is what I used to go everywhere, honestly. Now let me show you guys how dirty it is. And all, you know, this carpet stuff, that's old, so you know, it's whatever. It's really dirty in here. Now, there's all that stuff back here, right there. Super dirty. Like I said, this is my work car, so I don't really care about keeping this thing clean. But I'm gonna try to vacuum this thing right now just to see what this thing can do. Okay, well, you guys get the idea now. That's what I wanted to show you guys. This thing works pretty good. And like I said, my car, this is a dirty car. This is what I use for work, so I don't really clean it. I've never actually cleaned this thing. Cleaned it once when I got it, but it wasn't a deep clean. It was just kind of like a little vacuum. But you guys can see the difference. There's nothing there. That stuff right there I have to clean with my hand. You know, that's some, you know, bottles of water under there and stuff like that. But overall, I'm very pleased. Now I have it on the blowing setup. I have the blow. This is the nozzle for when you're gonna use to blow stuff. I don't know if you guys can see that nasty stuff in the van, but we're gonna try to get that blown out of there and see how this thing works. Okay guys, so you guys saw the unboxing, you guys saw me using it in the minivan, you guys saw me vacuum and also blowing some stuff out of the van. So first impression, I'm 100% pleased with this product. I'll definitely give it a 10. I mean, it's 40 bucks, it's small, you can get it at AutoZone, and I mean, for the stuff that I'm gonna be doing, this is more than enough. You guys saw what it did to the van, and the van's really dirty. So I will be detailing this van completely, so that's another video once I get to feeling better. Right now I'm outside in the garage doing this because my back has been hurting all day because I've been laying on the couch from the stupid strep throat that I've been having, that I have right now. So, and I want to get away from everybody in the house, so that's when I come over here and just kind of did this review for you guys. The blower, I'm happy with it. It blows. It has a lot of pressure when it blows. When you vacuum as well, it does a pretty good job. I mean, the carpets are dirty, so that's not gonna take the dirt out of the carpets when you're gonna clean. You know, obviously what comes out of the carpet. You know, that's another job, and I can also do that too. But that's for another video too. Anyways, I would definitely recommend this product, and I'm excited to use this on the things that I'm going to be doing from now on. Hopefully I get some clients that want to come and get their cars detailed in and out. Honestly, I'd rather clean the inside more than the outside. I'm not a big fan of cleaning the outside, just because to me what's important is what's on the inside of the car, how the car looks on the inside. On the outside you can just give it a wash and it'll look good if you have a nice looking car. But if you have a nice looking car and your interior looks like crap, it just puts the car all the way down. So I think it's important to keep the interior clean mostly. So that's what I like to focus on, and that's what I like to spend my time most on. But with that being said, give this video a thumbs up, like it, comment, share it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and that's all I got for